Hello, seekers of the stars, and welcome. Have you ever looked up at the night sky and felt a pull, a whisper, a sense that something ancient connects those distant lights to who you are? Tonight, we journey not through space but into your soul, guided by the very stars that watched over your first breath. We'll unlock the secrets held within your astrological blueprint. For millennia, humanity has gazed at the heavens, noticing a profound link between the celestial dance and human behavior. This is the heart of astrology. It's a timeless system offering a lens to understand our nature, strengths, and desires. Think of it as a map drawn in starlight, detailing the subtle energies that shaped you. Your zodiac sign is your cosmic DNA, the foundational layer of your personality, revealing tendencies and a unique energetic signature. It's a universal language that, once understood, can illuminate so much about your interactions, your passions, even your hidden fears. Now, I'm genuinely curious. Before we delve deeper into this cosmic tapestry, take a moment. Look within. Do you know your sun sign, your zodiac sign? Share it with us in the comments below. Let's see how many celestial kindred spirits we have joining us tonight. It's the first step on this incredible journey of self-discovery. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, speaks to us not just through individual signs but through universal forces. These forces coalesce into four fundamental energies, four primordial elements, each breathing life into a distinct set of personality traits. These are the very building blocks of the zodiac: fire, earth, air, and water. Imagine fire: passion, spontaneity, courage. Fire individuals are natural leaders, pioneers, and adventurers. Aries, Leo, and Sagittarius are your fire signs, daring, charismatic, and optimistic. Then we have earth: practicality, reliability, a deep connection to the material world. Earth individuals are builders, nurturers, creating lasting foundations. They value security, hard work, and have an innate ability to create lasting foundations. Their patience is legendary, their resolve unyielding. Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn fall under the earth element, patient, reliable, and disciplined. Next, ascend to the realm of air: intellect, communication, social connection. Air individuals are thinkers, innovators, thriving on ideas. They are curious, adaptable, and often possess a charming wit. Their minds are constantly buzzing, connecting dots others might miss. Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius are the air signs, often intellectual, communicative, and independent. Finally, dive into the depths of water: feelings, empathy, intuition. Water individuals are deeply sensitive, compassionate, and possess a profound understanding of human emotion. They are dreamers, healers, and often have an almost psychic ability to sense the unspoken. Cancer, Scorpio, and Pisces are your water signs, typically empathetic, intuitive, and creative. Do you feel a resonance with one of these elements? Does the description spark a flicker of recognition within you? Knowing your dominant element is like finding a key to your fundamental nature. It helps you understand the core drivers behind your actions and reactions. Now let's zoom in even closer. Each of the 12 zodiac signs takes these elemental energies and refines them, creating a unique and intricate tapestry of personality traits. This is where the magic truly unfolds, where we begin to see the subtle nuances that make each sign distinct. Take Aries, the trailblazing ram. A pure fire sign, they are the embodiment of courage and initiative. They leap before they look, fueled by an unshakable optimism. I once knew an Aries who, on a whim, decided to open a bakery with no prior experience. Everyone doubted her, but her sheer fiery will and boundless energy made it a roaring success. The downside? Sometimes that boundless energy can lead to impulsiveness and a lack of patience with others. Or consider Taurus, the steadfast bull. An earth sign through and through. They are known for their unwavering loyalty, their appreciation for beauty, and their incredible persistence. I recall a Taurus friend who spent years meticulously restoring an old farmhouse. Every detail was perfect, every step taken with patience and dedication. They can, however, be notoriously stubborn, resistant to change once their minds are set. Then there's Gemini, the twins, masters of the air. Agile-minded, endlessly curious, and brilliant communicators. They can effortlessly juggle multiple ideas, often charming everyone in their path. A Gemini I knew was a phenomenal writer, able to craft compelling stories with incredible speed, switching genres with ease. But sometimes their dual nature can manifest as indecisiveness, a constant internal debate that makes commitment difficult. And what of Cancer, the nurturing crab? A water sign, they are deeply emotional, fiercely protective, and possess an innate ability to care for others. They are the heart of any family or group. I've seen Cancers organize incredible support networks for friends in need, acting as a true emotional anchor. The challenge? Their sensitivity can sometimes lead to moodiness, and they can withdraw into their shell if they feel hurt or threatened. Leo, the majestic lion. Another fire sign, radiating confidence, charisma, and a natural flair for the dramatic. They love to be admired and truly shine in the spotlight. I remember a Leo friend who captivated every room they entered, simply by their presence and joyful spirit. On the flip side, their need for admiration can sometimes tip into arrogance, and they can struggle when not the center of attention. Virgo, the meticulous maiden. An earth sign embodying precision, analytical thinking, and a dedication to service. They are the problem solvers, the organizers, always striving for perfection. A Virgo colleague of mine could spot a tiny error in a complex spreadsheet within seconds. Their quest for perfection, however, can sometimes manifest as excessive self-criticism or a tendency to worry. Libra, the balanced scales. An air sign embodying harmony, diplomacy, and a strong sense of justice. They are natural peacemakers, always seeking equilibrium in relationships and situations. I've witnessed Libras mediate intense conflicts with grace and fairness. Yet their desire for harmony can lead to indecisiveness, a fear of upsetting the balance, and a tendency to avoid confrontation. Scorpio, the intense scorpion. A water sign characterized by passion, depth, and an unwavering intensity. They are masters of transformation, incredibly resourceful, and possess a magnetic allure. A Scorpio acquaintance once navigated a complex personal crisis with astonishing resilience, emerging stronger than ever. Their intensity, however, can sometimes lead to possessiveness or a tendency towards secrecy. Sagittarius, the adventurous archer. A fire sign embodying optimism, a love for freedom, and a thirst for knowledge. They are the eternal students and explorers, always seeking truth and adventure. I know a Sagittarius who has traveled the world, learning multiple languages, always on a quest for new experiences. Their love for freedom can at times make them restless or blunt in their communication. Capricorn, the ambitious sea goat. An earth sign defined by discipline, ambition, and a relentless drive for success. They are the architects of their own destiny, patient and determined. I've seen Capricorns build empires from scratch, brick by painstaking brick. Their focus on ambition can sometimes make them appear reserved or overly serious, and they might struggle to relax. Aquarius, the visionary water bearer. An air sign, characterized by innovation, humanitarianism, and an independent spirit. They are the trailblazers, the rebels with a cause, always looking to the future. An Aquarius friend of mine dedicates her life to social justice, always thinking of new ways to improve the world. Their independence, however, can sometimes make them seem detached or emotionally aloof. And finally, Pisces, the dreamy fish. A water sign, embodying compassion, intuition, and a profound connection to the spiritual realm. They are the artists, the healers, sensitive and imaginative. I've known Pisces whose creative works have moved people to tears. Their sensitivity, however, can sometimes lead to escapism, or a tendency to absorb the emotions of others, becoming overwhelmed. You see, each sign is a universe unto itself, a complex interplay of elemental energy and unique characteristics. And while these are broad strokes, they offer an incredible starting point for understanding. So why does any of this matter? Why delve into these ancient cosmic patterns? Because understanding your zodiac sign isn't just a fascinating parlor trick, it's a powerful tool for self-awareness and personal growth. When you recognize your innate strengths, that Aries courage, that Taurus persistence, that Gemini wit, you can lean into them, amplify them, and use them to your advantage. It's like discovering a superpower you never fully understood. Conversely, acknowledging your potential weaknesses, an Aries impulsiveness, a Taurus stubbornness, a Gemini indecision, allows you to work on them. It's not about changing who you are, but about refining yourself, becoming the most evolved version of your cosmic blueprint. This leads to better decision-making, more fulfilling paths, and a deeper sense of purpose. Imagine navigating life with a clearer map of your inner landscape. But the benefits extend beyond just yourself. Imagine the power in understanding the people around you. When you grasp that your earth sign friend needs stability, or your air sign partner thrives on intellectual conversation, or your water sign loved one processes emotions deeply, it transforms your relationships. It fosters better communication, greater empathy, and a profound appreciation for the diverse ways human beings are wired. It's about building bridges, not walls between hearts and minds. It's about recognizing that everyone operates from their own unique energetic blueprint, and that understanding creates compassion. This journey into your astrological blueprint doesn't end with your sun sign. Oh no, my friends, that's just the tip of the cosmic iceberg. The stars offer an even richer tapestry of insights. One of the most frequently asked questions about astrology is about zodiac compatibility. How do different signs interact? Which energies harmonize and which create friction? While it's far more nuanced than simply this sign is compatible with that sign, understanding the elemental interplay, for instance, can shed light on why you click instantly with some people and find others challenging. Fire and air signs often fuel each other. Earth and water signs can create a nurturing, stable bond. It's about understanding the dynamic dance between energies. Remember, your sun sign is just one piece of the puzzle. When you were born, every planet was in a specific sign and house, creating your unique birth chart. Your moon sign reveals your emotional world. Your Mercury sign dictates your communication style. Your Venus sign unveils your approach to love and beauty, and so much more. These planetary placements and aspects create a truly individualized astrological fingerprint, adding layers of complexity and depth to your personality. The more you explore, the more you uncover. It's a journey of endless discovery. So, what have we learned tonight? That the stars are not just distant lights, but powerful mirrors reflecting the very essence of who we are. That understanding these ancient connections can unlock profound self-awareness, improve our relationships, and guide us toward a more fulfilling life. The cosmic conversation is ongoing, and you are a vital part of it. If this journey into the energy connection between zodiac signs and personality types has sparked something within you, if it's left you curious and eager for more, then don't let the conversation end here. If you found this exploration as captivating as I did, if it shed new light on yourself or someone you know, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps us reach more fellow cosmic explorers. And don't forget to comment below. What did you discover about your own sign? What surprised you most? I'd love to hear your insights, your stories, and your questions. Let's continue this celestial dialogue. Finally, for more journeys into the profound mysteries of the universe and the human psyche, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next deep dive. Thank you for joining me on this incredible voyage. Until next time, keep looking up and keep looking within. The universe has so much more to tell you.